Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we're Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
Yes, we are. And we're talking about space today and a new lunar lander. Well, I don't know if it's new, but anyway, yeah.
At least you've got private companies competing, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Blue Origin's Mk1 lunar lander, also called Endurance, has completed a major phase of testing as the company moves closer to supporting NASA's Artemis moon program. The uncrewed cargo spacecraft is being developed as a commercial demonstration mission focused on advancing human landing system technology for future lunar exploration. Would you like to know more?
That sounds cool right there, right?
Yeah.
Human landing. Okay. The recent work took place inside Chamber A at NASA's Johnson Space Center. The testing effort reflects a public-private partnership model with Blue Origin using NASA's facilities and expertise through a Reimbursement Space Act agreement. I think when we can have more private money involved, that's better, right?
Yeah.
And it seems things seem to move along faster.
Smarter, faster, better.
Yeah. Mk1 is designed to demonstrate several critical capabilities needed for future operations on the moon. These include precision landing systems, cryogenic propulsion, and autonomous guidance, navigation, and control technologies.
And stick with us this afternoon. We're going to talk about a new propulsion breakthrough. The spacecraft will also carry two NASA science and technology payloads to the moon's South Pole region this year under the CLPS, Consumer Lunar Payload Services Initiative. One payload, the stereo cameras for lunar plume surface studies, will capture detailed images showing how the lander's engine plume interacts with the lunar surface during descent and landing. The second payload, the Laser Retroreflective Array, will help orbiting spacecraft pinpoint locations more accurate using reflected laser light.
Through CLPS, NASA works with American companies to send scientific instruments and technology demonstrations to the moon. The initiative is intended to deepen understanding of the lunar environment while helping prepare for future crewed Artemis missions.
So engineers did test Mk1 inside NASA Johnson's Chamber A, one of the largest thermal vacuum chambers in the world. The facility can recreate the near vacuum of space along with the extreme temperature a spacecraft experienced during flight. By simulating these harsh conditions on Earth, teams were able to evaluate system performance and confirm the spacecraft's structural and thermal durability before launch. NASA and Blue Origin plan to use lessons learned from Mk1's design, integration, and testing to support future Artemis missions aimed at returning American astronauts to the lunar surface.
And that's supposed to happen between now and end of Trump's term, right? He's really pushing for that.
Yeah.
The development of Mk1 is also helping reduce risk for future human-rated lunar landing systems, including Blue Moon Mark II, or Mk2. The larger crewed lander is designed to transport astronauts safely between lunar orbit and the moon's surface, supporting a long-term exploration near the lunar South Pole. So that was kind of the reasoning for going this last mission, right, where they flew around the moon.
Just because we've never been there, and we want to go there, the far side of the moon.
Right. So, yeah, and again, back to the private stuff. You said they work smarter, because it's their money.
Yeah, it's their money.
They're not using somebody else's money, which is frivolous. They're using their money, and yeah, so it's like private sector, right? Always smarter in the private sector. Normally, always smarter in the private sector than when people are getting free money. So, this is a good story.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the afternoon.
See you this afternoon. Take care. Thanks.